Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a company that gives loans up to $50,000. These are personal loans that you can get for a number of different reasons, such as medical bills, wedding expenses, paying off credit card debt, consolidating your debt, and much more. This particular company does a soft pull on your credit report to give you a pre-qualification. Also, you can be approved without proof of income, and they will also send your funds once you are approved within 1 business day in most cases. That's if you do the loan on a weekday before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, comment down below your Cash App username. We do Cash App giveaways from time to time on this channel. We're doing one for the month of June, so make sure that you comment down below your Cash App username. Also, in order to win, you do need to be a subscriber, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel. And also like this video if you find this video valuable. So I'm going to let you know exactly what you need to get approved. Disclaimer, this particular company really doesn't approve people with bad personal credit. So if you have bad personal credit, you definitely want to check out this DIY credit repair ebook bundle that I have that has been helping a lot of people learn how to clean their own credit. We teach you how to do that with a specific method that we have used to get results with removing late payments as well as collections and other negative items off of your credit reports. We also teach you how to add accounts to your credit to boost your credit score up to 100 points alone without even removing any items from your credit. These are no credit check credit builder accounts that you could start adding to your credit reports today to help boost your score. We also give you a letter that is going to help you get items off of your credit report. So check this out. Link will be in the description. Now, a couple of tips for approval. You definitely want to make sure that you do not have a bunch of inquiries on your credit reports. If you do have a bunch of inquiries, there is a high chance that you could get denied just because of the inquiries. Lenders look at that as you're credit hungry and you are trying to get as much credit as possible, and it's kind of a red flag to them. So if you have a bunch of inquiries on your credit report, you definitely want to go ahead and get that removed before you apply for this particular personal loan or any other loans in general. Now, one of the great things about Upstart is that they will actually send you your money once you are approved within 24 hours. If you go ahead and accept the offer before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. If it is after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it will be transferred the following business day. Now, it could take up to 3 business days if you are getting a loan for educational purposes. Now, if you are doing the car refinancing, that is another story. That's dependent on different factors like how long it takes for you to get your promissory note signed and all of the other issues with the title and all of that. So that's a different story, but most loans take up to 24 hours to transfer to your bank account. Now, when it comes to the soft pull, you will get a soft pull pre-approval to see what you actually qualify for. Now, once you accept the loan offer and proceed with the actual application, you will get a hard inquiry on your credit. Now, another thing that I want to point out is the interest rates and then the terms as well. So you can get your loan terms from 3 to 5 years, and then the fixed interest rates are from 5.4% to 35.99%. Also, if you have fair credit, for example, if your score is around 650 or even between 620 and 650, you're more likely to get a higher interest rate. Now, disclaimer, I'm not saying that you will get approved if that is your credit score, because there are other factors that may get you denied, such as, again, a bunch of inquiries, too much new credit, so on and so forth. Also, there are no prepayment fees. So the only fees that you would be paying is the fixed interest rate fees as well as the origination fees, which is pretty common. So the application process is a 3-step process. You can do this on your phone. You can do it on the computer, however you choose to do it. So you're going to put in how much you want to borrow. Then you're going to put in your information, and then they're going to tell you whether or not you pre-qualify. You're going to select a different or an offer based upon the terms that you want to accept. And then after that, you're going to complete the process, and then they'll do the hard credit check. If you're approved, after that, you should get your funds within 24 hours. Sometimes it could be up to 3 business days, depending on the type of loan. Also, keep in mind, they will pull your TransUnion credit reports. So they'll do a soft pull on TransUnion. Also, based upon your location, there may not be a maximum amount of $50,000 available for you to get as a loan. So if you scroll down to the bottom here in the quote unquote fine print, this is actually on the debt consolidation page. So your loan amount will be determined on your credit, income, and certain other information provided in your loan application. So not all applicants will qualify for the full amount. So some states have also a minimum amount that you can get. So like Georgia is $3,100, Hawaii is $2,100, Massachusetts $7,000, New Mexico $5,100, and Ohio $6,000. Also, really quickly, here are some of the minimum eligibility requirements. So you will need to be a U.S. citizen living in the U.S. or a permanent resident currently living in the U.S. Also, you need to be at least 18 years old. Applicants from Alabama and Nebraska must be at least 19. You need to have a valid email, name, birthday, and social, a full-time job, or a full-time job offer starting in 6 months or less. Or you can have a regular part-time job or another source of regular income. They do accept self-employed individuals as well. Also, you need to have your personal bank account, checking and routing information. Also, you need to meet the minimum credit requirements. Now, on this link, they do say that you need to have a minimum of a 300 credit score, but majority of the time, they do not approve you with very low credit scores. Sometimes it can happen, but most of the time, they don't approve you with very low credit scores. Pretty much all lenders say you need to have a minimum of a 300 credit score. Because in rare cases, they will approve you if you have not really had any credit history and your score is just kind of low. They will kind of give you a chance sometimes if you don't have any credit history at all. And so that's kind of how you would have a lower credit score and may be approved. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just giving information for educational purposes on my different experiences as well as people that I have worked with. Also, keep in mind, they do look at debt to income ratio. Also, you cannot have more than $50,000 in total principal outstanding loans at the time of applying. So that is it for this video. Make sure that you comment down below your Cash App username if you want to enter to win the giveaway for the month of June. Also, if you have been approved for Upstart in the past and you want to kind of share what you did to get approved, like the credit score that you had and all of that, you can comment that down below as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.